Get him, boys!
Just pull him out. Pull him away from his guards. They'll reset.
More dots.
More dots.
Ah, we're doing it. Get him. Fuck him up.
Oh, 95% guys. 95%.
90. Get him.
The DPS is real. Just watch if he does the
And one up.
Tank's got all sorts of heals on him. He's good.
Fucking go.
Fuck on Cornelids!
Die, Green Jesus.
Green Jesus.
Green Jesus, get him.
It's gonna pop.
40. Oh shit!
Oh my fucking god! Is that damage?
Shit, yeah, man.
25%.
Chain lightning.
Wrecked chain lightning. Oh, fuck.
That chain lightning though.
Jeez.
We can do it, we can do it.
No, 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 no!
Only at 20%?
I have a corker right in front of me. Close, close.
15?
Oh, god damn, that chain lightning's fucking brutal.
That chain lightning is fucked.
Yeah, god, that might be one more.
Is it the player doing that?
10%.
I finally got my wanding
No,
skill to
it's
300,
Thrall.
guys.
10%, guys.
Oh, there's a rogue in here. Get him.
Thrall.
Chain lightning of doom.
Oh shit.
Oh, they killed it 2%.
Heals on color, heals on color.
1%.
Yeah! Oh damn!
Spread the word, boys. Spread the word. Skill time force Thrall is fucking dead.
Now kill the other, kill the players.
Look at all the players in fucking Thrall's room, too scared to come out.
We should slaughter them.
Well, you know that'll go down with Nostalrius. Like, we were part of the fucking crew that killed Thrall when it was announced.
Let's go
Shit,
on
boys.
top of the bank now. It's our moment. While the
Let's go to Undercity.
morale is high.
My mana is low.
Oh yeah, Thunder Bluff.
Not enough mana.
Oh, has anyone got a
We
res by the
just
way?
travel by
Let's kill Karen.
the windmill thing.
Oh, fuck, I'll run back. Where are we gonna go now?
Okay, how do we get the fuck out of here?
Back to Ironforge? Are they apparently trying to raid us?
Are we going to Ironforge? I can TP all of us.
Oh, I need someone find, or anyone try and find out if they're raiding Ironforge, because then we can just bounce back and boost
Let's go to Thunderbluff. Fuck it.
Go and sit.
Thunderbluff,
Yeah.
man. Yeah!
Okay.
Oh,
Make a
get your
move,
move
macro,
macros
everybody.
ready.
Everybody make
I
a
have
move,
friends
macro.
still in Ironforge. He's going to check on if there's a raid there.
Is it safe to go through this place? I don't
Just
know.
keep going. They can't kill
Oh,
all
I
of
got
us.
wing clipped. No.
Keep running.
I'm so
Killed your
slow.
leader, bitches.
The throne room in Ironforge is still empty.
Good.
Oh, I'm running and I'm gonna die.
I just saw that.
I just died.
Color.
I got one hit, bro.
I know.
Gonna resin the spirit healer and meet you guys at Thunderbluff.
I finally said it. Fuck you, slippery when wet. Fuck those guys.
User disconnected from your channel.
Oh, I'm dead.
I got like 5 people texting me. What the fuck are you talking about? All from slippery when wet.
Isn't there a Zeppelin from Orgrimmar to
No, it's en route.
I'm just.
Oh, really?
I'm on a downer now that we killed Thralls. Like, fuck.
That's still recharging. That spell is
You take screenshots and shit.